Hello friends, as we are discussing the use of Hot Potato software for the creation of e-contents in the form of HTML based quizzes. In our first video we have already discussed the first applications, first among the 5 applications of Hot Potato software, that is jQuiz. We have already created and we have already demonstrated how can we create the equiz HTML based equiz using jQuiz application. Now in this video we will discuss uh, the use of jclose application, the second part of Hot Potato software. We will use the jclose software. Basically jclose software is used for gap filling activities by student. So let us click on Hot Potato software. This is of blue color. We click on jclose. As I already told, jclose is used for gap filling activities by the students. So I title it as gap filling activity 1. We can write our questions here as we can write Sachin Tendulkar scored number of centuries 100. If we want to make this answer, as we know that Sachin Tendulkar scored 100 centuries, this is the answer. So we have to select this and then we have to click on this button, gap button. Gap, it is set 1. It is basically a fill in the blanks type questions. Word is 100, that is answer is 100. If we want to give some clue, if someone gave wrong answer, then we can put as 1, otherwise we can leave it. If there are some alternative correct answer, we can also give here. We can increase or decrease them in this way. So currently we select as 100 and now click on OK. We add some more questions. I add capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. I select this and fill the gap, then OK. I add some more questions. Full form of PhD is, whatever question we want to add, you can add. Doctor of Philosophy. Then we select it and then OK. Let us add some more questions. Hot potatoes software contains number of applications 5. We have just discussed it as. So in this way we can add 100 of questions, as many as questions we want to add. We can save it as similar, in the similar way we have saved the jQuiz from by clicking here. In the same folder we have created Hot Potatoes, and suppose it is, I write here its name, gap filling. Now if we want to edit after saving it, then we can edit it from here and add the next question, if you want to add. Now let us want to publish it as a HTML page. Then we have to save it as, we have to remove this space, otherwise it will show an error, and I save it. If I want to view the exercise in my browser, then we have to click here. As we can see there, that these are answers. Sachin Tendulkar scored number of century 100. Capital of Uttar Pradesh, as we have make the correct answer as Lucknow. Suppose I write wrong answer, I write Meerut. Meerut. Here are some instructions. Fill in all the gaps, then press check to check your answer. Use the hint button to got a free letter if an answer is giving you trouble. You can also check on the question mark button to get a clue. Now, as I have entered wrong answer, I check this. Your answer is 25%. Some of your answers are incorrect. Incorrect answer have been left in place for you to change. 25% is because I have already given one right answer, and each question is of 25%, as there are only 4 questions. Now I make it right. Suppose Lucknow. Then I check it. Yes, it is showing 40% because I have given answer in second time. Full form of PhD is Doctor of Philosophy. I check it. Yes, it is right. Hot potato software, number of application, I have given answer 5. Check. Correct, well done. Your score is 68%. So in this way we can answer the gap filling activities. Now, as we have previously discussed in our first video, how to publish them on internet by using the help of internet archive. We have already discussed it. Either we can save it on internet archive, or we can save it by creating our account on OER Commons. We can upload anywhere to these e-content, and after the approval of the authorities, they will be published if there is no copyright issues. There are a lot of platforms for digitally published our contents. We can search them on the Google. So in this way we can create gap filling activities by using JClose. So thank you very much.